In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an invoice in Xero, which is perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and accountants. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once inside the dashboard, I want you to go to the main navigation menu, click the sales, and click invoices because this is where all your sales invoices are stored and managed. To create a new invoice, all I have to do is click the New Invoice button. This will open up a blank invoice form where you can start entering your details. Now, first of all, we need to choose our contact. For example, we have this one, issue a date, provide an email address, and all of these information. If you want to select a due date, you can do so. For example, let's say 20th of next month. You can put in a specific invoice number if you wanted, a reference, it's up to you. And if you wanted to add another row and description, you can do that. Okay? Once you are happy, if you wanted to add a note, you can do that as well and click the save button. Now, you need to specify the price. For example, let's say we have this, we have that, and if you wanted to put in a specific discount, okay, you can do so. At the bottom, Xero will automatically calculate the subtotal, tax, total amount, make sure everything looks correct before moving on. Once you are happy with this, all I have to do now is if you want to add details, you can do that. This will forward you to a new page. You can set up an invoice template if you wanted. You can put in your logo to reflect your brand and identity. You can add your postal address, or if you want to enter your address manually, you can do that. At this point, if you want to set up and complete your Stripe, you can do that as well. It's up to you. But for now, we're skipping this and we are happy with this. All we have to do now is click the preview to make sure everything looks good. And if you are happy with this, click the open, download PDF. You can do a lot here, okay? But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can create an invoice in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.